Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 4 book. Today I will start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is Indian Independence Day 2. While the children were busy playing games, Vimla's mother was chatting in the garden with Mrs. Wilson, who was admiring the dresses of the children. What colorful costumes you have in India. Why are the children dressed so differently from one another? She asked. So children were busy in playing different games. So Vimla's mother was talking in the garden with Mrs. Wilson, who was admiring the dress of the children. What colorful costumes do you have in India, and why the children are wearing dress differently from one another? She is asking the question from Vimla's mother, who is asking Mrs. Wilson. Well, these children belong to different communities. So costumes here meaning a style of dress. Okay. Well, these children belong to different communities. Mrs. Desai said. Do you see that boy with the pink turban? He comes from the Punjab in the north. He is a Sikh. Therefore, he has a special type of turban. So he is saying, well, these children belong to a different communities. She is giving the answer. Okay. Different communities meaning a group of people which having common characteristic. Okay. They coming from different community. Mrs. Desai said, do you see that boy with the pink turban? A boy is in pink turban. Here you can see this boy is in pink turban. He comes from the Punjab in the north. So he is coming from Punjab, which is in north. He is a Sikh. So he is a Sikh. Therefore he has a special type of turban. So he is wearing this special type of turban. Okay. Saroj Pandit here is a Maharashtrian, and so she has a short blouse with a long skirt worn by young Maharashtrian girls. So here you can see one Maharashtrian girl is also there. Short blouse is there and long skirt is there. So her name is Saroj Pandit. She is a Maharashtrian. Okay. Hanif is a Muslim, so he has come in his silk kurta and chudidars with his yellow velvet jacket embroidered with gold and his matching pink skull cap. So here is Hanif is there and he is wearing silk kurta. Okay, kurta is silk and chudidar is also there, and a yellow velvet jacket is also there, embroidered with gold. Okay, so embroidered meaning decorated cloth by sewing the pattern. Okay, this pattern is there on it and it is decorated with thread, and a matching skull cap. One cap is also there which is matching one. Okay, his name is Hanif Muhammad. Hanif. Okay, he is a Muslim. I now see that you have many communities in India, said Mrs. Wilson. That is so, said Mrs. Desai, but we all are Indians. So yes, that now I have seen that in India there are different communities there. So Mrs. Wilson is saying, so Mrs. Desai is saying, but all we are Indians. So all the different children, they are all Indians, whether they belong to Hindu, Muslim, okay, Sikh, all they are Indians. Do they speak the same language or do they speak different languages? Asked Mrs. Wilson. So Mrs. Wilson is asking, do they speak the same language, all these children, or they speak different languages? Mrs. Wilson is asking. They speak different languages, replied Mrs. Desai. For example, I come from Gujarat, so I speak Gujarati. Saroj Pandit come from Marathi, speaking family in Maharashtra, and therefore Marathi is his mother tongue. So he's saying they are speaking different languages. So I am coming from Gujarat, so I am speaking Gujarati. Saroj Pandit is coming from Maharashtra, so he is speaking Marathi, and therefore Marathi is his mother tongue. So before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Okay, this chapter question answer you will write in your literature copy. This is your homework. Okay, that's all.